Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Asyraf bin Muhammad Zain. I'm doing this video for my presentation on my assignment subject Science and Technical Research Methodology, Open University Malaysia. For the topic for my presentation today is the assessment on safety and health awareness during military mission maintenance among Royal Engineer Regiment Corps soldiers. The content for my presentation first is research topic, then research background, problem statement, objective, methodology, and conclusion. My research topic is assessment on safety and health awareness during military mission maintenance among Royal Engineer Regiment Corps soldiers. My research background: Royal Engineer Regiment Corps is one of the elements of the Malaysian Armed Forces that specialize in construction and engineering. In order to comply with the requirement, Royal Engineer Regiment had many missions or plans that need to be maintained to support the entire task or project that running under Royal Engineer Regiment responsible. Maintenance also connected with high risk of all kinds of accidents, and occupational accidents during maintenance work are numerous. My problem statement for my research is, as you can see at the table, from the year 2014 until 2019, there has been cases that been reported during the maintenance been done. Accidents during maintenance among the military personnel keep happening and cause injury and death. Malaysian Armed Forces not enacted toward the OSH regulation. That's why a research needed to come out with guidelines to minimize the accident. My objective research is to evaluate the degree of awareness on safety and health during maintenance work among military personnel. Secondly, design the development questionnaire to identify the cause of safety negligence during the maintenance work among military personnel. Lastly, do the data collection and analysis based on the questionnaire in order to propose the improvement of safety guidelines during the maintenance work among military personnel. For my methodology research, divided into 5. First, at the beginning stage, start with finding the problem statement and research objective. Secondly, my research method been done by quantitative by conduct through survey research. Third, research instrument through questionnaire and interview. Fourth, population and sampling. The population is at 4th Squadron Royal Engineer Regiment Bridging. Sampling for 60 soldiers. And lastly, analyze the data using the SPSS computer software. As for the conclusion, the level of awareness of military personnel and the protection of safety and health during maintenance work will be known by this research. Even Malaysian Army has not subject to OSHA 1994, but the safety and health of the military personnel is the primary concern during every operation. The result of this paper or research can be used as a guideline to improve the level of awareness of safety and health among the military personnel and minimize the risk and accident during the maintenance work. It also can be an initial of the attitude of implanting the awareness toward safety and health during other work, and hopefully will give benefit toward the organization. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.